Hey guys, and welcome to the Acanon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about Python's web browser module. So let's get started. The Python's web browser module allows high-level interface for opening web-related documents and displaying them on the user screen. So basically, we are going to use the web browser module. So first thing is we need to import that. Then I've created a string of HTTP, that is the HTTP's link address, and then the search that I want to search for, the URL that I want to search for. So in this case, let's try for Facebook. And now all we got to do is say web browser dot open, a function present in web browser. And now I just need to say HTTP, that's the first string, and concatenate it with the search URL that I want to search for. That's it. And all I got to do is now run it. And as you can see, I quickly go automatically to my web browser and it loads. Facebook currently loads for me. Likewise, we can also try searching for another URL, for example, Google. And if I run this, as you can see, now Google loads out for me. Isn't this pretty cool? So that's it from this really quick video. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends and subscribe to the Acanon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.